Fibers has a major release too that includes precompilation. After some research with the decompiler, I worked out that all function references are created equal, no matter if it is a lambda, inner function, or class method, static or instantaneous. An anonymous class is generated and instantiated whenever the reference is created. The best way to reduce the load on the garbage collector is to precompile the fibers such that the classes are only instantiated once. Start still has value, as we don't need to precompile for fibers that are only used once or monitors that remain in an infinite loop. Precompiled fibers are created with instance instead of start. If we want to change a variable as a parameter, we need to wrap it in a function so that the current value is picked up. Here is a test for the fixed 300 millisecond precompiled fiber. And they are first run when Go is called explicitly or implicitly with WaitFor or AsCoroutine. We can mix fibers with coroutines where it makes sense. Coroutines will always generate an anonymous class that has to be removed. This next example shows two advantages of precompiling fibers. One, that we can set variables that will be used in the next fiber run. This is the reason for using a method call to hide or to wrap the variable. And two, we can reuse fibers without involving the garbage collector, assuming that we do not need AsCoroutine in production code. Precompiled fibers can also act as methods or subroutines. One important use for precompiled fibers is reusable code, similar to functions in sequential programming. So one fiber waits for the other. The second fiber will wait until the first is done. In real code, we may want to wait for one action to complete before starting another.